Hey, what's going on? I've been wanting to do this video for a minute, but I'm really excited. I got some stuff for it, so I'll have my friend tell you about his shop, what he does, and hey, come check it out. If you need anything, any work done, this is the guy you need to come to. You need to come to him to help you out. Affordable price, everything, best tech, everything. Come check him out. I'll have him tell you guys about his shop. Come this way.
Everybody has cars, and guess what? Cars break, all right? Come to Glee Auto. If your car's broken, we'll fix that. We'll fix it right away. Easy, quick, reliable, friendly, sometimes. And number 3, we get the job done right. And if we don't, well, we fix it, baby. That's what we're here for. Come with 12-month, 12K warranty. We have some of the best techs here. We have a Mopar specialist back here. I'm an electrical guy, so if you have any electrical problems with your car, bring it here. I love the challenge. Also, if you don't want to fix your car, we get it. We also got used cars. We can sell you a used car. Some people like that. They need brakes. I want to straight and change my car. If that's how some people are. If that's how you are, come to Glee Auto, baby. We don't sing here, but you come. We are located at 1505 East Weber Drive, Suite 120 or 121. Tempe, Arizona 85281, down the street from Tempe Marketplace and Tempe Town Lake. Where Big Surf Water Park used to be, we're right next to there, right behind Arizona Specialty Motors. I am not promoting them, don't go to them, come to me. Thank you.